Alright, I'll be working on this GTV APS. Alright, 5 pins, green belt, and obviously you can see from the European style, the wording is kind of gnarly on it, but I'm sure you can use the thinnest tensioner I have here, kind of slip it in here and just torque it from there. I'll be using a kind of deeper hook and a standard hook. Let's start this out. Okay, I'm going to give you a good amount of tension. And nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3 is binding. Good click on 3, nothing on 4, and 5 is binding. Good click on 5. Go to 1, 1's binding. Okay, we went into a false set. I'm going to go to a shallow hook now. Alright, lighten up the tension a lot. Find the 1 causing counter rotation. That's a counter rotation. Let it counter rotate. Okay, gotta click on that. 1 reset. Put 1 back in. Okay, and now it should just be 4. So for 4, there's 4. A little counter rotation. Lighten up the tension. Okay, clicked, and 1 came back up. 1 back into place, and 2 came back up. So let's just lighten up, let it counter rotate. Click on it, 1 came back up, push 1 back down, and open. Alright, so not particularly hard. It does have some pretty gnarly warding, but not a big deal. Just use a deeper hook to get past it. So put this off to the side. So put this down here. Just got this. Okay, zoom in a little bit. Alright, open this out. Let this lock back up. Back up. Let's open this back up. Gotta spread this out. I just kind of use the inside of this to push on that. Try not to stand myself. There we go. Once you bend that up enough, just bring that off. Okay, and that's off. Okay, choose the key, follow this out. Not exactly sure which side size this is, so that's good. Okay, that's out. There's your 5 pins. Just drop them out. 1. Let's use the back of this. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, and obviously you look here. There's no edges, there's no milling in any of this stuff, so nice and smooth. Pretty simplistic. Let's put through here for now. And that's actually a very interesting pin. Look at this pin. Yeah, guy. That's a weirdly shaped guy. Makes me wonder if all of them are like that. This is the first time I've actually gutted this. So these look all standard. It looks like the only pin that has that gnarly shape is here. I've never seen that before. It looks like it's maybe almost a damaged pin, but it kind of looks like it's milled that way. Never seen that before. All right, well, first time for everything. Let's bring this guy out. Take a look at it. Bring this here. First pin, standard, makes sense because it kept resetting to that. Makes a lot of sense. Okay, second pin for a spool. That's exactly what I thought it was, a spool. Well, drop a spring. Let's just put this here now. Grab my spring off the floor so I don't lose it. There it is. Okay, next pin. Okay, standard. Let's get the spring out. Pretty long spring there. Spring's the other side. Okay, there is a hole for number 6. There's a standard pin coming out. Number 5, the spring. And then finally the last one, pin number 4. Another spool there. There's a spool. Alright, close up of the pins. Looking at a standard spool, and another standard, and a very interesting key pin. Very interesting, never seen it before. That's all I got.